Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a desoldering pump and some desoldering wick. Stay tuned and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. This is what's called a desoldering pump or a solder sucker. These can be purchased for relatively inexpensive. Centrifugal air moves through the device, pulling the solder up into the unit. This one was a couple $3 on Amazon. You got to clean the cylinder occasionally. These are ideal for PC repair. This one is just an inexpensive one. Sometimes they're really tight when they're brand new. They usually have an O-ring in them. What you do after, so you can see the big O-ring coming out there now. What you do is you just tap out the solder that's collected in there. Put it back together. Say you had this wire that's broken. You want to get your iron nice and clean. Depress the plunger. Get it in the area that you want to desolder. Hold it till it warms up really nice and liquid. They work really nice for desoldering wire. They come in a variety of styles. Now, let's demonstrate that with solder wick. You could also put a little bit of flux on here. Just lay it on there till the solder starts to warm up. And it sucks right into the wick. You can see it's starting to turn now. And there's a lot of solder on this one. You can just snip that off. One of the things you can do with solder wick is you can kind of spread it out a little bit. This comes in a variety of different sizes. Again, if I used a little bit of flux, it would help it to go a little faster. Let's try some of that Chinese soldering paste, just out of curiosity. See if a little bit of this will expedite. I don't have any flux in my hand, so let's see if this makes any difference at all. Now, if we wanted to, we could clean this up a little bit more just to get the old solder off of it. Being careful not to overheat it. That's probably one of the biggest issues with desoldering is you want to make sure you're not overheating. And this is quite a small pinpoint tip here too. Again, following what we discussed. You can see how both methods have left a nice little hole for us to solder into with this small speaker as a demonstration. Solder pumps come in a variety of sizes, styles, quality, and this is a solder pullet SS350. It's a low static challenger is the name of it. This is a very nice pump, probably in the $10 range, a little bit more expensive. You can see though how you have to dump out the solder after you've used it for a while. You can tell the difference in quality. Both do the same thing, but this one much more expensive, would last you for many years. This one, I just wanted to see how good it was for a couple dollars and do the job. Pretty cool.